My name is Lupe Gonzalez. I'm the Commercial Driving Training Program Director. I want to welcome you guys to see our new location here at Swift Transportation. We did a partnership with Swift, and they have a great location for you guys. So the address is 1001 Diesel Drive, and this place is almost close to 5 acres, and we have enough room to set up actually 10 trucks and trailers to do our safety backing skills. That's enough space to do backing skills, so we don't intervene each other, so we don't hit each other, and we have enough space to practice our backing skills and pre-trips. So this is where you're gonna come up and do your weeks 3, 4, and 5 when you're doing the day class. So the first day you're gonna come here, that's when we're gonna start doing our backing range. We start with the pre-trip, then we start doing coupling the truck and the trailer. Then we start showing you how to do offsets. At the end of the day, we do the uncoupling of the vehicles. And then the next day, we do the same thing. We do the coupling, we do the pre-trip, and then we do the offset left and right. And then the next day, we do parallel parking left and right. On Thursday, we do 90-degree ollie dock. And Friday, we do the new backing skills that you need for your testing, which is forward stop, straight line back, forward offset tracking to the left, and offset tracking to the rear. And those are the backing skills that you need for the actual test. 4 and 5, that's when we take you out to drive. So we go out, drive from this location. We start driving over here by the warehouses around here, so we can show you how to do the up and down shifting. Then we show you how to do left and right turns, and then we show you a little bit of, get you to a little bit more traffic. And at the end of the week 5, that's when we do our testing, and we do the testing in-house. So all you have to do is come and do your test here. Once you pass here, the next step should be get an appointment at DPS, show up to your appointment and let them know that you passed your road exam here with Western Tech, and you're there to pay for your road exam and to pick up your license. We have Class B also. We can help you if you're interested in getting Class B license. Of course, we can help you guys come over and see us. But right now, we have the instructor that's performing a mock test on the students for Class B, and he's testing the students to make sure they actually know what they're doing. Then over here on the right side, we have a couple of students and an instructor. There's week 4. They're doing pre-trips, and after they do the pre-trips, they're gonna start going out to practice road, outside on the road. Trailer, we're using a 53-footer trailer, which is the longest one that we have. Why are we using this big vehicle? Because that's the bigger vehicle that we have out there on the industry. If you can drive this big combination, when you get the pop trailers, the smaller trailers, I mean, they will not have any issues about it. We also have 10 trucks, and we have 9 trailers. We have 2 automatic trucks. And why do we have automatic trucks? Because if you notice, with the industry, we have a lot of big companies that all they drive is automatic trucks. So we have these automatic trucks to introduce to the students so they know the difference about the manual transmission and the automatic. The reason why we use a manual transmission also is because we don't want the students to get any restrictions on the driver license. How they get the restriction is because if you test on an automatic truck, you're gonna get a restriction for driving automatic trucks only. But if you get your Class A driver license with a manual transmission, you can actually drive any vehicle. You can drive automatics and you can drive manual transmissions. Endorsements. Tell us about the endorsement. Okay, that's been taught in the classroom on week 1, day 5 on a Friday. So they can apply for a combination of doubles, triples, tankers, and hazardous materials. So when they graduate, if they want to drive one of those vehicles, they're allowed to get the endorsements here because we train them for that. When they go and apply to the oil field, they are required to have the tankers endorsement and the hazardous material endorsement in their license. So we teach them that material so they can get the endorsements and they're ready to start working in the oil fields if they want to. And if you can see, these are our testing areas. So we have 3 testing areas. We have 4 examiners. So we don't have, the students don't have to actually wait in order to test for their driver license. All we can do is set up their appointments within Thursday and Friday of the last week, and we can actually test them in-house. And we're allowed to practice in the testing area, so we let the students actually practice on the testing area so they can get a little more familiarized with the backing skills and the pre-trip and what to expect when they're doing their testing. You're not going to drive your trailer ever, you're not going to damage the landing gear ever, and you will never lose your trailer on the road. We have these 3 porta potties with a hand wedge in there, portable, but also they can use the actual restroom, regular restrooms in the Swift area, which I'm going to show it to you later. We have this portable break room area that we have in here. You can follow me so you can see it. And this is for the students so they can actually heat up their lunch, and they have they can take their breaks in here. We have water in here, we have coffee, so they're very welcome to use it. This is the shop for Swift, but we're allowed to use this facility as well for the students so they can come out and get some water. For example, we have some water fountains in there. And in here we have the break room for the shop where we are allowed to use it. Have another regular restrooms in here, so this is the women restrooms. If there's women in the class, all they need to do is go ask for the key to the service desk up there, come and use it and return the key. But here we have some regular restrooms for the students. So we can go here, we have 3 restrooms, regular restrooms, clean, and they're very nice and neat and clean.